Hey guys, I'm back with a new video and we have a surprise. We have ordered 20 new chicks, all different breeds. We have Red Stars, Golden Lace Wyandottes, Delawares, White Legners, Welsumers, and Eastern Airs. We have ordered them from mypetchicken.com. And so far we are very pleased with their customer service, our chicks, and the way that we receive them, because we receive them in good conditions. They all seem to be very healthy. And yeah, there's nothing else to say, but thank you to mypetchicken.com for supplying us with these cute chicks. And fun fact, actually, these chicks flew in all the way from Ohio, so they had a long flight, but thankfully they arrived to their new home here in California. And as you can tell right here, we're just switching them from the carton box that they had arrived in to their new home. At first they were very shy, but they got used to it. Their curiosity got the best of them and they started roaming around the entire little home. And this is the setup that we have for them. There's a light right next to their home, their little bed, and as you can tell, they loved the light, because of course they love heat. And they stayed there for a very long while until they finally got accustomed to their surroundings. And then another thing we also bought from mypetchicken.com was the Grow Gel Plus B. It turns into this green type of food that we have right there in that little bowl, as you can tell. The chicks seem to love it. And in that red container we have the chick starter feed. And as you guys can tell right here, we have a little ramp so that by the time they start growing and just finally learning how to properly walk and use their little wings, they start climbing it. And right here we just have footage of them looking into the camera. They're very adorable and cute, and they're very clumsy as well, but it's super adorable. So I know I probably said adorable a million times, but I just can't help it, they're that cute. So thank you guys for watching. Give us a like and comment down below. See you guys in 2 weeks. Bye.